Is I mean, Apple just entered the banking industry in the US. So my question is, so the future of your competition, do you see it more from traditional banks evolving or from Apple, Google, Amazon, this type of companies that might enter the space?
Yeah. That's a very good question. Not sure what I think, but I'll try to think with you.
Okay.
So no, because being a huge Apple fan, I do believe that once they do something, they would do it best.
Very well, yeah.
Limitless resources, access to the sharpest minds, and so on. However, I think that in finance there is something about expertise. There is something about the DNA of a new company, new entrant, and so on. So traditional banks would probably get better and better, no doubt about it. I don't think that they can ever make the jump and just leave out their corporate DNA, the very complex decision making, the politics of the organization. We have engaged with some traditional banks in the last few years. We know it. We think that this is something very complex to transform. Okay, now about a second type of banks, private banks. I think that private banks are positioned in a better position to try to solve these things because their growth opportunities is much more limited. They have less numbers of customers. In order to grow, they have to design and invent new tech solutions. I think that one or two of them would try to do it. And in terms of big tech companies, such as the ones that you stated in the beginning, Google, Apple, and so on, if they will decide that this is their main line of business, obviously, I think they can do it. I think that to take this decision is something which is complex, and I think that the greatest challenge would be to get customers' trust. Okay, our surveys, which we are doing all the time, shows that customers, 84% of the customers are saying that they will trust their bank with the financial data, but only 14%, 1/4, say that they will trust a tech company with their financial data. So solving the tech issue, the trust issue, probably will make them the fiercest competitors.